A 42-year-old U.S. citizen and Army veteran, Shamsuddin Jabbar, drove a pickup truck into a crowd of New Year's revelers in New Orleans, killing at least 10 people and injuring many others. After the collision, he opened fire on police before being fatally shot. The FBI found an Islamic State flag, weapons, and a potential explosive device in his truck and is investigating the incident as an act of terrorism. There is a belief Jabbar may have had accomplices, though none have been identified. The attack led to calls for tighter immigration controls, although it was later clarified that Jabbar rented the truck and was not connected to any border issues. The city postponed the Sugar Bowl due to the attack, and Gov. Greg Abbott emphasized the need for a thorough investigation to ensure safety. Support for independent Texas reporting is encouraged.